and I got variation number 5. So if you're interested in
Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today we're going to film my July 2019 Boxycharm unboxing, and the theme for this month was Au Naturale, and I got variation number 5. So if you're interested to see what I got in my box, just continue watching. So since I've had no time to film this past week, I actually did dig into my box already, and I do already know what I got, so these are not first impressions. And the first thing that I got in my box is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and I have tried this twice already, and I do like the way that it makes my skin feel. This retails for $35, and I'm always excited when we get masks, and I'm always excited when we get Elemis, so this one was a hit for me. The next thing in my box was the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette, and this is how it looks. It retails for $32. It is a very neutral palette with a pop of blue, and it doesn't really call my name. So what I'm going to do with this is actually put it into my giveaway bag, because I know somebody else will probably appreciate it more than I will. So keep in tune for this giveaway. The next item is the Luxie Gaia 3-piece brush set, and this retails for $30. This includes the Precision Crease Brush, the Large Eye Blending Brush, and the foundation brush, and the only one that I can see myself using is this one to cut my crease. So these two may end up in a future giveaway as well. The next item I'm super excited for because it is a Ofra liquid lipstick, and Ofra liquid lipstick formulas are dope. This is in the shade Santorini, and it retails for $20. I'm just gonna apply it on my lips to see how this color looks on me, because I'm super excited for this product and I haven't used it, so I could do this in front of the camera. So this is how the shade Santorini looks on me, and I feel like if I did have my face done up, it would actually look pretty beautiful. Right now it looks kind of weird because I have like no makeup on, but I do like it. So the last item in my box I screamed when I saw, because these are the Kogendo Spa Cleansing Water Wipes, and if y'all know me, y'all know I am a crazy Kathleen Lights fan. So when I saw these, I was like, Kathleen Lights! My eyes lit up, and I wish I would have recorded that because I was going wild. These retail for $17. That's why I never bought them. They're mad expensive. But I ran out of makeup wipes. So yesterday I was like, okay, I have to dig into these. And they feel amazing. Like nothing, well, like something I felt, but like not any makeup wipes that I've ever felt in my life. The way to describe these makeup wipes, it's like a moisture sheet mask. If you've ever tried a moisture sheet mask, that's how this feels. It feels like I was literally wiping a moisture sheet mask all over my face, and it felt amazing. So I definitely feel like I am gonna go buy that as soon as I finish this pack, because even though they're expensive, they feel like they are totally worth it. And the total of my box for this month was $134, and we only paid $21 for our box. So I think that that is very well worth it. I am giving like 2 things away, but to try these, hell yeah. And this, hell yeah. And this, hell yeah. I think it makes everything totally worth it. But this is totally not Boxycharm related. Remember, I am doing a giveaway for the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. This is a beautiful palette, and I will have that video up here in the cards and also linked down below in case you want to enter to get the palette. So thank you for being so kind and like understanding about all the time that I have not had to film. I truly do appreciate it, and I wanted to like do this little thing where I like give a shout out to the first people that comment on my videos. So I actually took a screenshot, and the first people that commented on my last video were Victoria Sepulveda and Tara Brown. So thank y'all for having your notifications on, and if you want to be the next shout out in my next video, just turn on those notifications and be one of the first people to comment on my videos. Thank you so much, so much for being my sanity in all this craziness in this world. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world.